Hello, everyone. What if I told you there's a simple drink you can enjoy daily that not only helps you feel and look younger, but also works to prevent many of the health challenges that typically arise after the age of 40? It may sound almost too good to be true, but there's real science to back it up. This drink works at the cellular level, supporting your body in ways that can reverse signs of aging and enhance overall well-being. Let's get started and learn all about it. And before we move on further, make sure to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on staying youthful and healthy. Watch the video to the end to get all that makes up this drink. And do not forget to share the video and share your thoughts in the comments section. As we age, especially beyond 40, our bodies begin to experience noticeable changes. Metabolism slows down, skin elasticity diminishes, joint discomfort becomes more common, and cognitive function can decline. Additionally, hormonal imbalances often emerge during this phase, making it even more essential to adopt habits that support healthy aging. A recent study revealed that aging occurs in two significant cycles for most individuals, the first around age 40 and the second around age 60. This highlights why adopting preventative measures, like incorporating this drink into your daily routine, is so important. So, what is this incredible drink that can help you stay healthier and even combat aging? I'm going to break down its ingredients one by one, explaining the specific benefits of each. Then, I'll share the recipe so you can prepare it at home. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end, a powerful addition to this drink that amplifies its effects even further. Let's dive in. The first and most essential ingredient in this drink is green tea, which serves as its base. Why green tea? Because it's packed with potent antioxidants, specifically catechins. Among these catechins, EGCG, epigallocatechin galate, stands out as one of the most powerful. Research has shown that EGCG plays a key role in protecting your cells from oxidative damage, a process that contributes to heart disease, certain cancers, and accelerated aging. But first, let's talk about oxidative damage and why it's so harmful. As your body functions daily, it generates waste products known as free radicals. These free radicals, if not neutralized or removed, can wreak havoc on your cells, leading to aging and disease. Antioxidants are the body's natural defense against free radicals, but after age 40, your body's production of antioxidants decreases significantly. This imbalance allows free radicals to accumulate, causing more oxidative damage at a faster rate. This is where green tea and its high levels of EGCG become invaluable. By neutralizing free radicals, EGCG can slow the aging process and protect your body from long-term damage. Green tea offers another impressive benefit: anti-aging effects on your skin. Studies have shown that green tea's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce wrinkles and improve skin firmness. It also provides protection against sun damage and UV exposure, two major contributors to premature aging. Whether you're concerned about sagging skin or fine lines, green tea can be a game changer for maintaining youthful, radiant skin. Not only does green tea protect your skin from damage, but it also has the incredible ability to repair DNA damage within skin cells, helping maintain their integrity and function. This makes green tea an essential ingredient in our anti-aging drink. Beyond skin health, green tea is a fantastic metabolism booster, especially important for people over 40. As we age, metabolism tends to slow down, particularly in women dealing with thyroid issues or transitioning into perimenopause. Men face similar challenges with reduced metabolic rates. This slowdown often results in weight gain, fatigue, and other health concerns. Green tea helps to combat this by giving your metabolism the boost it needs to keep your body in better shape. Another vital benefit of green tea lies in its support for brain health and energy levels. It not only protects your brain from oxidative and inflammatory damage, but also safeguards your mitochondria, the energy factories of your cells. Many people over 40 experience a noticeable decline in mental clarity, increased fatigue, or a general sense of lethargy. Studies have shown that green tea enhances mitochondrial function and cognitive performance, offering sustained energy and sharper mental focus. With these remarkable benefits, it's clear why green tea is the foundation of this powerful drink. Moving on, the second ingredient is collagen peptides. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, forming a crucial part of your skin, hair, nails, joints, muscles, and connective tissues. However, as we age, our body's ability to produce collagen naturally begins to decline by around 1% each year after the age of 40. This reduction is one of the main reasons for the development of wrinkles, joint discomfort, and muscle loss. By supplementing with collagen peptides, you're replenishing this vital protein and addressing many age-related concerns. Research published in the Journal of Medical Nutrition and Nutraceuticals found that participants who regularly consumed collagen peptides experienced significant improvements in skin elasticity, reduced roughness, and fewer wrinkles. So, if you're looking for smoother, firmer skin, collagen peptides are an excellent addition to your routine. But collagen's benefits don't stop there. It's also incredibly supportive for joint health. It works by improving the cartilage between your joints, reducing pain, and even alleviating symptoms of arthritis. This makes collagen particularly helpful for maintaining mobility and comfort as we age. Another impressive benefit of collagen is its role in gut health. Many chronic conditions, including cardiovascular disease, thyroid issues, and autoimmune disorders, begin in the gut. Collagen peptides help heal the gut lining, addressing conditions like leaky gut and reducing gut-related inflammation. A healthy gut is the foundation of overall wellness, and collagen plays a key role in achieving that. Now, let's move on to the third ingredient, lemon or lime. Both are rich sources of vitamin C, one of the most potent antioxidants your body needs. Vitamin C is not only excellent for maintaining healthy, youthful skin, but also plays a significant role in detoxification and supporting liver health. As we age, our immune system tends to weaken, making us more susceptible to infections and autoimmune conditions. Vitamin C can help rebalance your immune system, reducing inflammation and boosting your body's natural defenses. Additionally, it provides a crucial anti-inflammatory benefit to this drink, further enhancing its overall effectiveness. When you combine all three of these ingredients, green tea, collagen peptides, and vitamin C, you create an incredibly effective drink. This powerful combination offers a multitude of health benefits. The antioxidants from EGCG protect your cells from damage. The collagen peptides provide the building blocks to rebuild and rejuvenate your body. And the vitamin C retrains your immune system and reduces inflammation to keep you feeling your best. How to prepare this anti-aging drink? Let's talk about the preparation process so you can enjoy this drink at home. Plus, I'll share a bonus tip at the end to take its benefits to the next level. First, brew a cup of high-quality green tea. When choosing your green tea, make sure it's sourced from reputable growers, as the quality directly impacts the amount of antioxidants, including EGCG. Here's an important tip. Never use boiling water to brew green tea. High temperatures can destroy the delicate antioxidants in the tea. Instead, heat your water to a level that's just below boiling, around 160 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, or 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. Steep the tea for 4 to 5 minutes to allow the antioxidants to infuse fully. Once your tea is ready, add a scoop of high-quality collagen powder. Look for collagen peptides sourced from organic, grass-fed sources, as these provide the best nutritional benefits for rebuilding your skin, joints, and gut. Avoid generic or low-quality collagen powders, as they might not offer the same effectiveness. To complete the base of your drink, squeeze the juice of one fresh lemon or lime into the tea. This adds a potent dose of vitamin C, which enhances antioxidant activity, boosts immunity, and supports detoxification. Stir well, and let the drink sit for 2 to 3 minutes to ensure all the nutrients are well absorbed. Finally, drink it slowly, either in the morning as part of your breakfast or as a refreshing start to your day. You can even enjoy it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to maximize its absorption and benefits. Bonus tip for maximum anti-aging benefits. To supercharge this drink's anti-aging properties, consider adding a fish oil supplement to your daily routine. Fish oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, which are renowned for their ability to reduce inflammation throughout the body. These healthy fats protect your brain, heart, and gut, and they also support mitochondrial function, a critical factor in slowing down the aging process. Research shows that omega-3 fatty acids have powerful anti-inflammatory effects and help maintain youthful energy and mental sharpness. However, not all fish oil supplements are created equal. When choosing one, look for a product with a minimum of 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of EPA and DHA combined. Additionally, ensure the supplement has been tested for mercury and heavy metals to avoid introducing toxins into your body. If you're unsure where to start, I've developed a high-quality fish oil supplement that meets these standards. You can find the link in the description below if you're interested in exploring it further. Incorporating this drink into your routine. Including this anti-aging drink in your daily routine is a simple yet highly effective way to fight the signs of aging and prevent the onset of age-related diseases. Whether you're addressing skin health, joint pain, or cognitive decline, this drink is a natural solution that works from the inside out. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with friends or family who might benefit from these tips. Your support helps me create more content to empower you on your health journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.